intro to
Hello
update.
po.
And welcome back kay
Sobrang
Maymay.
excited na
Fresh from
dahil
US.
as much as
Suppose ng
possible
Bell of
gusto ko
Beauty.
po talaga nire-ready yung skin ko na dun sa panibagong weather. I'm just so much excited. I'm gonna be so relaxing today. It's really like #comfort is the day.
Ayan o. Ayan ang session ni Maymay. After niya nag-show sa US. Say official session. Ayan, nag-enjoy si Maymay sa kanyang session dyan. Pang per day in Bello Medical Group. Ano, matindi si Maymay sa birthday ni Jasmine at Chine. Nandiyan din si Edward, nakakamiss yung love team nila eh. Ngayon kasama yung ASAP family. Nandiyan sa birthday. Ito nung nasa US si Maymay. Kasama niya yung Beanie at BJYO dyan sa recording studio. Siguro para yan sa bagong single ni Maymay na Paradise. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell kung na-update. Ito po ang Nature Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.